Amazon PPC feel overwhelming to you? It's probably one of the things that scares most new to Amazon brands is trying to figure out everything, the ins and outs of Amazon advertising, from learning all the acronyms, ACOS, ROAS, TACOS, etc., to, hey, how do we run advanced sponsored display campaigns? How do we use AMC targeting? Is there a way to day part and run schedules on our advertising? What should we do for key shopping dates like Prime Day? There's a plethora of questions you might have about advertising, but guess what? Most likely it can be answered with our Ads Academy. Ads Academy is a complete course with over 25 modules, 100% dedicated to Amazon advertising. And it was created by us at Helium 10. We partnered with Destiny Wishon, one of the world's top experts on Amazon advertising. And she goes deep. She shares her screen. She walks you through exactly what you should be doing. We cover topics like learning what your buyers are shopping for, software versus ad console, which one should you use, introduction to bid management, what is negative targeting, launching your first sponsored brands campaign, and the list goes on and on. This is not surface level content. It's structured. It's step-by-step education designed to take you from confused to confident. And here's the best part. Ads Academy is completely free for anyone who has a Helium 10 account, no matter what plan you're on. Even if you're already understanding advertising, this is really powerful. If you hire a new employee and they don't know anything about Amazon ads, put them through Ads Academy. They'll level up their advertising knowledge in a very structured way instead of learning through expensive mistakes. So if advertising feels intimidating, don't avoid it, master it, and start with Ads Academy.